Yo, Earth to the Nerd Haven, what's going on, y'all? Listen, I know it's been a really long time since y'all seen or heard from me. I know y'all don't know, but I kind of took a social media break. I was going through some things. I had a death in the family. Just been going through some stuff with that and other things as well. Life been life. I know O been going through some stuff. Josiah been going through some stuff. Life been life. You understand what I'm saying? But we didn't forget about y'all, right? I'm doing this little teaser, montage, whatever you want to call this, because Hail the Haven 3, we didn't forget about y'all. Season 3, we didn't forget. We want to get it up and running for you guys. I just wanted to take this time just to make this little message, just to say that we haven't forgot about you. Because regardless of how long, regardless of how life going life, you understand what I'm saying? It's always Hail the Haven. Always. So listen, we didn't forget about y'all. I didn't forget. O didn't forget. Saya didn't forget, all right? Listen, we trying to get some things together right now with all of us, to, as a collective and individually. But don't worry. In the works. I can assure you, in the works, all right? We trying to get some things together. There's going to be a bunch of changes going on. I'm going to keep you guys updated on that specifically. But I love y'all, man. We're going to try this not to stay away too much longer, all right? I love y'all, man. I'm going to see y'all soon, all right? Peace.